Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Wangui here, and today I am doing a closet organizational video. I love this type of videos, and so I thought it would be the best time for me to share one with you guys. I hope you like it, and if you do, please let me know down in the comments, leave me a like, and please consider subscribing. Let's go. So I am going to start by folding clothes that were washed the previous day. So yeah, I want to have everything laid out on the bed before I start organizing. So this is how far I have come. I have folded a few clothes. This is how it looks like. I'm just gonna hang some on the hangers and then fold others and put them in their section. Some progress. I'm done folding quite a few clothes. So here are the towels, here are some tights and sweatpants, here are my partner's vests, some random dresses and skirts, these are our jeans, some of my tops, and then this section has these are his work trousers there. So over this section I have some bedding I need to fold. I also have some shirts I need to hang and tops that go on the hanger as well. So here are just some random clothes. I'll fold that. So I wanted to show you guys my section of clothes. Now tell me, what kind of mess is this? Look at his section and look at my section. It's just crazy, but this is what I want to pay attention to today. I want to remove everything and then sort everything out. So I'll have a section for dresses, a section for workout clothes, a section for tops, a section for tights, for dresses, everything. So yeah, so that's how it's looking so far. So on this other side I have this section where I hang his shirts and some jackets and coats that we don't wear regularly, so that's gonna get organized as well. So here's my bottom shelf. I have tops and sweaters and anything that needs to be hung, so I need to organize that as well. It's quite messy, and I also need to color code it. As you can see, there's something going on over there, but I need to follow that pattern and organize everything. Yeah, so that's the progress. So I'm gonna put on a time lapse, and this is how many clothes I have folded. So yeah, so I'll put on a time lapse. We'll see how this gets organized, and I will show you the final closet once I am done. So down here I have some drawers, and we've divided them into sections. So I have a section for vests and extras. I have a section for socks, for towels, like the little towels, cleaning towels and etc. So I'll show you that as well. Oh, sorry, I didn't show you this section. This is where I put our bedding. As you can see, we love white bedding, so all these are duvet covers and bed sheets and pillowcases. Then here are our towels, so I have to add a few more there. So behind there I have some lessons, extra bedding and etc. So yeah, so this is what we have. And yeah, so let's get organizing. Let's see what we come up with. Yep. So lastly, I'm just gonna pair up some socks so that it's easier for me to find them when I need to wear a pair. So yeah, so I'm just gonna get partners of each, fold them nice, and then put them in the drawer. I'm also going to fold some towels, cleaning towels and hand towels, and put them in their drawer as well. Last but not least, I am going to make the bed. It was quite a mess considering this is where I was folding the clothes. Yeah, so I'm just gonna straighten the bedding and just make it look nice. So I've just finished organizing, and well, it's taken me quite some time because we just had our laundry done, so I had so much folding to do and I had a lot of decluttering to do. So I'm just gonna show you how it looks like. It's been a process, but I'm happy. Finally the closet is organized and I find everything when I need it. Yeah, so let me show you now. So I'll start with this section, which is we have some coats here and my robe over there, and we have a few of shirts. I have stacked them together because I don't have enough hangers, so there's 3 or 4 shirts in there. So I've tried to color coordinate, and there's white, the blues, the grays, and then the buttons over there. So yeah, so that's how the first closet looks like. So at the bottom here is my part of the closet. So I have some sweaters, then a few of black tops over there, then blue, green towards the white, denim, and some African kitenge over there. So I try to color coordinate, so that's how it looks so far. So yeah, so I'm happy with that. It was quite of a mess. And inside these sweaters and tops, they are tops of the same color. So if I have a green top, it goes inside the green blouse or sweater or something. So all my black, gray, and white tops are on this side, and all my colored tops are on this side. Yeah, so that's how the first side of the closet looks like. I'm happy. It looks great. So on to the second one. So this is the other side of the closet. So here we have drawers and sections. We actually do not have hangers in this section. So here I have the towels on this side, and I have the bedding on the other side. So behind there are extra bedding and towels, as I had mentioned. So this is what we use on a regular. So here are some duvet covers and some bed sheets and some pillowcases at the top. So mine and his towels are there. Then down to the next section, this is his section. So we have his t-shirts, we have his sweaters, more sweaters, his pants, and his shorts. So that's his drawer, and it's looking amazing. It always looks amazing, guys. My partner is more organized than I am, but we move. So next, here is my section. So I have some tops here. I've mixed in workout tops and regular tops over here. Then I have some random dresses and sweatpants here that I use on a regular basis. So these are some random stuffs. I have my satin bonnets up there, and I have some pajamas, extra tops, workout pants, and all. So behind there I have some dresses, some jeans, and more dresses. So yeah, so my section is quite okay. I think it's doable for now. So down here are some drawers. So I won't show you inside the drawers because who wants to see underwear? Nobody. So the first section is his vests. The second one is mine. The third one is socks. The fourth one are some cleaning towels and bathing towels and hand towels, and the last one is just random stuff. So that's how our closet looks like. I have done such a good job, and I am so happy. So yeah, so also I have made the bed because it needed some loving. Yeah, so it was quite messy, but yeah, I've made the bed. It looks great, and I am just so happy. Thank you guys for joining me. Thank you so much for staying with me. I hope you've picked a few tips here and there on organizing your closet. Let me know down in the comments what you think. If you love such videos and you would want to see more from me, let me know. I would love to do some more. So thank you guys. I will see you next time. Bye.